Good morning. And I hope you are ready. You had your tea and breakfast, and you are very ready to watch the first video. Okay, so today we are going to do science in a sync session, but sync session in our Zoom call. Okay, but before that, what I thought was I will give you a revision of what we have done for the last 2 weeks. So just to start off, we started static electricity. On the first day, what was the first thing that we did in the morning message was there was an experiment, okay, with comb, scale and hair. Like with either you could use your scale and comb, and you had to rub it on your with a paper or on your head, and then you had to take it near to a bits of paper, and you saw that it got attracted, right? Then on the Zoom class, when we came, we studied about two things. First was about friction. So friction was nothing but when you rub two things. In science, when you rub two things, there is something called friction which is developed. I gave you the example of mall, if you remember. Like if you can easily slide in the mall, but it is very difficult to slide on the BMC roads, right? So whenever there is a movement where two things are rubbed against each other, there is friction, right? Then we discovered that, or we studied about, rather than we studied that why are the things get attaching to each other. So it was due to charges. There were two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge, right? So what I said, an important thing was, all things that around you, whatever it is made of charges. Whatever it is, everything is made of charges. Okay, these were the two things that we did on the first day. Before going ahead, what I would recommend is, please make your own notes. Okay, don't copy this. You can write it in your own words. Try to make your own notes and make such notes that whenever you read about it, even after 1 month, you will be able to recollect it. Okay, please pause the video here and make notes right now. I hope you have made your notes. Now coming to the second day. Okay, second day was when we deep dived into the question and asked, okay, charges to hai positive and negative, but where do these charges come from? ये charges आते कहाँ से हैं? It cannot just come from anywhere, right? It is not magic, right? It can't come from anywhere. There, charges should be there somewhere. So we found out that charges come from atom. Now, what is atom? So we tried to find out what is atom made of. And so we found out that atom is made of three things: electron, proton and neutron, right? It is made of three things: electron, proton and neutron. So what is electrons? So how does an atom actually look like? Atom looks like this. This center part that you can see is called nucleus. Nucleus is made up of proton and neutrons. What are protons? Protons are positively charged particles, and neutrons don't have any charge. They are neither positive nor negative. I'll repeat. Protons, this is nucleus which is made up of protons and neutrons. This entire thing, this entire diagram, this is of an atom. An atom is made up of nucleus, and these orbits, these circles that you can see are called orbits. Okay, in these orbits there are electrons. So an atom is made up of three things: electron, proton and neutron. Electron, proton and neutron. Electron are negatively charged particles. Protons are positively charged particles. Neutrons do not have any charge, and proton plus neutron makes up nucleus. I would like you to pause this video here again and try to make your own notes again. Don't copy this. Make your own notes. Now we will start with the day 3 ka thing, what we did. Day 3, we have studied for 3 days. This was in the next week. Okay, day 1 and day 2 was in the previous week, and day 3 we started in a new week. Okay, so what we did was, we did simple experiment. If you remember, I showed you experiment on YouTube where there was a woman who had two types of rods: glass rods and plastic rods. Once she rubbed the glass rod, she had two glass rods. Okay, she initially kept one glass rod on the ground and rubbed another glass rod and took near to that second rod. She repeated it for plastic rods, and then in the last attempt, what she did was, she took one plastic rod, placed it down, and then took the glass rod near it. What was the conclusion that we found out? The conclusion was, when glass rod and glass rod were taken towards each other, they repelled, they went away. Okay, so positive and positive charges don't like each other, they go away. Similarly, when plastic rod, like negative and negative were brought close to each other, they again went away. So negative and negative also don't like each other. But when positive and negative are brought close to each other, they attract. So positive and negative are best friends. Okay, they want to be together. But positive and positive, they don't want to be together. And negative, they don't want to be together. So the conclusion was, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Unlike means positive and negative, and like means positive. So positive charges, like charges, repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. Then we saw something about induction. What is induction? Okay, so we saw that we asked a question to ourselves. Okay, what happens if a charged body is taken towards a uncharged body? In this experiment of scale and paper, we saw that paper was not charged. Paper was kept that way only. But the scale actually was charged. But paper did attract. So what happened? How did the paper attract? How did the paper got charged? So we saw that there is something like induction. What happens is, even if the body is uncharged, it has charged inside it. It is just कि चार्ज बाहर नहीं है. हम किसी भी बॉडी को कब चार्ज बोलेंगे? जब उसके सरफेस पे चार्ज आ जाएगा. चार्जेस सब में है. You have charges inside you right now also, but it is not on the surface, so you can't call it as a charged object. What happens is, when this plus things starts coming close, इसके अंदर the charges inside this are plus as well as minus. We have both charges, plus as well as minus. Now the minus charges start seeing these plus charges, and minus and plus are best friends. So minus charges start moving towards this plus charge. तो क्या होगा? This body is initially uncharged, but when this thing starts coming close, now it is here, now it is here, now it is here. So when this starts coming close, the minus charges try to come out. It starts coming out because it wants to get attracted to the plus charges. This thing, which is charging of uncharged object due to this charged object, is called induction. So we saw that there are two ways charged objects can be produced, or object can be charged by two ways. One is friction, second is induction. Friction में क्या होता है? Friction में just you rubbed two objects and the things get charged. Induction में क्या होता है? You bring one charged object close to a uncharged object, and the uncharged object gets charged. I hope you have taken the notes down. This is very important. Okay, please take down proper notes, and then we will move to the second video for the day. Thank you. Please take down proper notes and do send me an image on WhatsApp.